Welcome once again, this is Ashuri TV. Today we are going to teach you how to use a digital multimeter. As you see, there's a digital multimeters. This one is Fluke, the best one in digital multimeter. These devices are the most useful for measuring different electronic components. As you see here, you select this pointer here on this for measuring the continuity. You see, this is a pointer must used to select. You see here is in resistance. You select this pointer in this range while you are measuring the resistance. You see, you change this pointer according to the values of resistor. You select this pointer in this range of yellow color while you are measuring the voltage, DC voltage. You see, you select this pointer also in this range of white color while you are measuring voltage in alternating current, AC voltage. You select this pointer in this point while you are measuring the transistors. You see, and you see this white range. You select this pointer in this range while you are measuring capacitor, and this is in current. You see this current in alternative current. You select also this pointer in this range while you are measuring the current in direct current. You see, these are how to use a pointer while you are using digital multimeter. You see, this red bulb is connected to the voltage, and the black one is connected to the common or grounds. Then this is a Fluke digital multimeter, mostly used for measuring all electronic and electrical components. You see, you switch it off, and when you vary this pointer at this V with a waveform like this is here while you measure the alternative voltage, while this one is for DC voltage, resistor and continuity, amperes, low amperes and maximum amperes, or milliamperes and amperes. This red bulb is mostly used for voltage, while this black one is on common. You see, these are two types of digital multimeter mostly used for measuring the DC voltage. This is a Fluke, this is a digital multimeter. You switch it by place on power, while this one you select this pointer at off. As you see, is switched off. Thank you for attending this lesson.